showing line numbers in IPython/Jupyter Notebooks. Error reports from most language kernels running in IPython/Jupyter Notebooks indicate the line on which the error occurred, but, at least by default, no line numbers are indicated in notebooks. Is it possible to add the line numbers to IPython/Jupyter Notebooks?
Control ML toggles line numbers in the code mirror area. See the quick help for other keyboard shortcuts. In more details, Control M or Escape bring you to command mode, then pressing the L key should toggle the visibility of current cell line numbers. In more recent notebook versions, Shift L should toggle for all cells. If you can't remember the shortcut, bring up the command palette, Control Shift plus P, CMD plus Shift plus P on Mac, and search for line numbers. It should allow to toggle and show you the shortcut.
On IPython 2.2.0, just typing L, lowercase l, on command mode, activated by typing escape, works. See, help, keyboard shortcuts, for other shortcuts. Also, you can set default behavior to display line numbers by editing custom.js.
Select the Toggle Line Number option from the view, Toggle Line Number.
Press Escape so the left part becomes blue. Then press L. It works. If you want to hide them, use the same algorithm. If you want to impact all Jupyter rows, make sure to do it on the last one. Otherwise only one row is impacted.
If you want to see more